DJ Monte.
Who is that? McCorny? Bro, McCorny, you got frosted bumps. Let's go.
So I just shampooed his hair and now it's completely dry. So all I'm gonna do is get to retwisting. So now I'm just going to pull the hair up. As you can see, you can't really see any squares. My hair is long enough for me to just use their hair to just, keep the hair out of place. Yeah, you can see the squares a little bit now that I'm separating it. But just looking at it, you really can't see it. See, I'm digging. So now all I'm gonna do is take the rat tail comb, the end of that comb, and I'm going to part it to make the squares more visible. Sometimes I do, however, like to, take my hands, hold, his hair down and just pop it. And sometimes I like to clip it with the scissors. However, this time I'm just gonna clip it with the scissors. No matter if I pop it with my fingers or use the scissors, their hair is very, very healthy. They've been growing their hair now for...
I think I got it when I was 7.
Yeah, they've been growing their hair for like 4 years now, and it is really, really long. Really, really long. And I don't know why people think just because I waited 2 years and a year to retwist their hair. Why do people think that I haven't taken care of it in like 2 or 1 year? Like, I've been taking care of their hair, okay? They do get their hair washed a lot, okay? Like 3 times a week. So it's gonna be parting and clipping. And when I clip it, I'm gonna get as much lint as I possibly can and clip it, okay? In my last retwist video, I asked my son a question and he said, "No, ma'am." And people went in, like, it was like, "You let your son call you ma'am?" No, I do not let my son call me ma'am. My son answers me ma'am, but no, he doesn't walk around saying, "Ma'am, can I have a soda? Ma'am, can I have..." Yeah, he just answers me ma'am. He calls me mom. My son calls me mother. He calls me mama, to be honest. And he just calls me ma'am for a sign of respect, because that's how I was raised. I was raised to answer my parents, yes ma'am, no ma'am, yes sir, no sir, but I called my mother mama, okay? Now I will be taking the Jamaican mango and lime locking gel, and I love this gel. Like, it does not get crusty. I'm just going to take about this much of product, just a little bit, and I'm going to put it on the root of the dread. I gotta get my husband to do him a tape up afterwards. Twist, twist, twist. Twist, twist. I love this product. It has like a really nice soft texture to it. And it's like a gel, but not like the Eco Styling gel. Now the Eco Styling gel that I used in my last video, that was like my first time using that. Yeah, I'm never gonna do that again. I do not recommend using Eco Styling gel to retwist. Jamaican mango and lime locking twist gel is like my go-to. This is what I recommend. Now, some people just twist the roots, but I like to twist it all the way to the end. And there we go. And when you twist it just enough, you don't have to use clips. Twist it tight, but not too tight. And I just move it out the way like that. Bam. So yeah, I'm just going to move the hairs out the way as much as I can you know, without hurting him with my fingers. When I can't do any more with my fingers, I'm going to take a comb to make it even straighter, while also clipping it with the scissors. I'm going to take both of these tweezers and just twist them together. And these two tweezers I'm going to let stay in his hair for about a good week. This is just to really, you know, make sure the hair stays in place. And it's also a style and he likes to wear. And that's what it looks like. As you can see, I've done most of it off camera. And I'm back to do the rest of this, and I'm just going to speed it up a little bit. So now I'm just going to take some of this Shea Moisture Reconstructive Finishing Spray. And I like to use this just for shine. And that is it for the finished look. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and share. And I will see you guys in my next video.